All right, folks. I keep talking about Crazy Girl. These are all. Uh, don't get it confused. I wasn't confused. It was the way I was talking about it. But these are Fat Buds. 1, 2, 3 Fat Buds. Rick over in Virginia. Check him out. Hey, have a good evening out there, people. Later. Hey, good evening, everyone. It's about 5 o'clock Arizona time. I'm out here in Arizona in the desert, just outside of Surprise, Arizona, near the White Tank Mountains, and having a good day here. It's 94 out, so it's starting to get warm. If you hear any noise, it's my air conditioner blowing a 14,000 BTUs into this 3x3 tent. It blows it up just like a freaking balloon. But hey, let's look at these all Fat Bud genetics. 1, 2, 3 Fat Buds. Check them out. This is getting some purple on it. Now, these yellow leaves are interesting because they don't look like they're deficient in, well, yeah, they look like they're deficient. I know if that's the way the plant works. That's that Dream Rider, looking good. And this is day 1 of week 9 for these ladies. The two over here, whoops, that one and this one are Blue Dreams. Let's go back and look at her. That's going to be a nice coal. I'm going to probably clip a few leaves. I didn't do a whole lot of trimming. I did go down and start pinching off a few of those buds that are way down there. But for the most part, I'm just going to let them grow, and we'll see what happens. This plant looks really nice, this Dream Rider. I don't know what it'll look like. I always wear sunglasses for the most part, so they look in with the light as it is. They look purplish to me, and they're starting to frost up. Yeah, they're looking pretty nice. And of course, we got the Totem Pole Junior here with her companion. This is a Caribbean Dream over here, and yeah, I think they're looking pretty good. This American Gangster in the back is a tall girl, and if they all fill in, that's going to be a decent piece of marijuana to smoke later. Yeah. If you're new, hey, hit the sub button and give me a thumbs up. I run a Mars Hydro TSW 2000. It's 300 watts in a 3x3 tent. This is my 9th grow in this particular setup. I started with autos. If you go back some of my earlier videos, you'll see some of the. I've actually pulled a pound out of here. So this is new. I haven't been growing anything but these Crazy Girls for the last couple of years. Prior to that, I was doing a lot of Bruce Banner, Girl Scout Cookie Extreme, and GG4, which these Crazy Girls have a little bit of that in them, definitely. What was I going to say? Well, you 3x3 tent, and yeah, nine grows. I've done a couple experimental grows outside, and I produced I think 5 ounces with 5 plants that I harvested at 118 degrees last summer. Wasn't the greatest stuff in the world, but I'll tell you what, the 3 that I have out there 2 are miniatures, so I'm gonna start calling those. Let me think what I'm going to call them. That's hilarious. Anyhow, I'm going to call them the Totem Pole and 2 dwarfs. We got Sleeping Beauty and the 7 dwarfs. This way. Hey, and by the way, Fat Buds, you put up a music video, real nice plant by the way, and you had the Snow White on there, and yeah. Just by coincidence. So yeah, I'm having a good time over here. Definitely am. I'm not too worried about anything. And well, I am, but that's a whole different story there, people. Anyhow, that's about it from this end. You have a great day. And Dream Rider, let's take a look at her. I like her. They're not huge buds, but they're going to grow. There's a little bit of time to go, I hope, I believe. definitely with the Dream Riders, I figure another 30 days. They're at about, well, week one of, or day one of week 9. They're actually about 4 days older than that from Sprout. But, so they're at about 60, close to it. And, yeah, if they're running 80 days to 90, they've got about a month to go, hopefully. All right, have a great day out there. And remember, I don't know if I say that, and then YouTube algorithm or whatever the hell it is. You know, I throw the word algorithm around. I don't even know what the hell it is. It's a bunch of numbers, I guess, that